Now, sometimes drivers do things that make us think, yeah, some cop needs to pull that guy over. But as a defense attorney, just because it's common sense, that doesn't mean it's legal for the cop to do it. I'm going to give you an example here. There was this guy who was convicted of several felony drug possessions, and it all started with a stop because he squealed his tires as he left a parking lot at 2 a.m. Luckily, there were no other cars around when this happened. There wasn't a safety issue here. And still, I don't recommend drawing attention to yourself at 2 a.m. by squealing your tires, especially when you have multiple felony drugs in your car. Now, that's just my personal opinion. Maybe I'm a little old-fashioned like that. Anyway, stuff does happen. We attorneys, defense attorneys, we look into it. We dig deeper. Was it legal for the cops to stop this car? The example I'm giving you today is a case called Donaldson v. State. And the cops said in that case, hey, look, we thought this guy maybe was fleeing the scene of some crime, but we cited him for improper start. Now, the appellate court found that that stop was illegal because the squealing of the tires alone didn't constitute any sort of danger to public safety. Now, please don't take this court's analysis to mean that like you can go simulate winning the Daytona 500 in some random parking lot. That's not what the case says. But in this case, the squealing of the tires didn't create any safety concerns. Multiple felonies thrown out of court. That's the beauty of challenging a stop. That's the beauty of telling the court this was an illegal stop. And when that happens, all the drugs or the DUI, whatever was the result of that stop, it all gets thrown out. It's a beautiful thing.